In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Mendeley extension. So to do this, I would recommend you first install Mendeley on your computer, and when you do so, you can go to Tools up top and click on Install Mendeley Web Importer. When you do that, it's going to open up your website, which is basically mendeley.com, and then you can find it over here, or you could just go to their official website and find the web importer from here as well, okay? Now, whenever you do that, you can go and click on Get Web Importer for Chrome, and when you do so, it's going to take you to the web store, and in here you want to click on Add to Chrome. When you do that, click on Add Extension, and that extension is going to get added just like this. As you can see, you can even pin it, which I usually do for convenience, so I can click on here and just pin the Mendeley Web Importer, and whenever you click on it, you'll be able to sign in, okay? So you must be on the site to actually activate it. For example, I'm going to go to Scholar, because we know on Scholar there's a bunch of different articles, and I'm going to search for, let's just do sport right now, and I can go and basically open a random one. And when I click on this Mendeley over here, the Mendeley tool, it's going to first prompt me to actually sign into my account. And then whenever I do that, as you can see, it's right now it's signing me into my account. It's going to open up as a separate tab on your computer. Just basically, of course, you just want to kind of click on that, and then you'll be able to sign in using your email and password. And whenever you do that, you'll be able to use this Mendeley Web Importer anywhere inside your browser. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.